In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade crypto on the Webull. To do this, you need to download the Webull app because we're not going to use the web trader for this one, and you need to have an account in the US. Once you've done this, you want to get the app, open up the app and click on trade. Inside of there, click on crypto. Just choose the coin that you want to trade. Click either buy or sell depending on what kind of order you want. And then you want to choose the order type. So you can make a market one or you can make a limit one, and there are other options as well. After that, simply enter the amount that you want to trade with and then just confirm it and buy. So after this, you should have either bought or sold the crypto coin. Now this is basically how you can do it, guys. It's pretty easy, so I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.